Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative and very beautiful because in this video I am sharing a very wide variety and very beautiful, decent and elegant collection of all over hand embroidery flower designs. And not only this, these flower embroidery designs could also be used as embroidery motifs for mask embroidery, for designing a number of various embroidery patterns as well, like different types of dress designing. You can also use these very beautiful floral patterns to make necklines, sleeve designing, and even you can design your dupattas, scarves and stalls as well with these very beautiful embroidery patterns. Before going into the further details of this video, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my video for the very first time, then friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Friends, if we talk about the traditional geographical regions of the world, then this embroidery pattern is totally worldwide accepted and mostly used in different regions of the world to embroider for making very beautiful all over embroidery patterns like Chinese embroidery, Japanese embroidery, Indian embroidery, Pakistani embroidery, Ukrainian embroidery, Armenian embroidery, Mexican embroidery, Brazilian embroidery. All of these embroidery patterns come under these very beautiful design patterning styling ideas. So kindly do try these patterns and style your dresses, outfits as an all over kurti designing. And not only all over, you can also use this very beautiful single flower design for the designing of your shirts, t-shirts, for a perfect summer outfit, for a perfect beach top. And even you can make these very beautiful floral patterns onto your hand knitted stuff like sweaters, cardigans, ponchos. Even you can make these very beautiful flowers onto your hand knitted gloves, hand knitted neck warmers, head warmers, hats as well. So I hope that my today's video collection is very beautiful and at the same time you have liked all of these very beautiful design patterns. If you are an embroidery artist, embroidery lover or an embroidery beginner, kindly do try these patterns and share your experiences with us. And don't forget to comment below the comment section so that we could know about your choices, interests and what you want us to share with you. Hope to see you soon back in my channel. And these very beautiful embroidery patterns in a smaller embroidery pattern could be also used for the mask embroidery designs. You can also design your mask by using these patterns. Now have an overall look of some more 20 to 30 design ideas of floral embroidery. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon back in my new content videos.